on, shoot, I'm ready.
Watch out, man, it's going to be a real bullet.
Not shoot or what?
You really want me to shoot and throw everything into it?
Of course, go on, I'm waiting.
What our neighbours are doing is simply unacceptable. God will not admit this. He won't forgive them.
Calm down, Mohammed. Maybe they're doing something important in their house. Let's give them a little time.
This cutting noise echoes through my head.
Wait, don't get upset. Leave it to God.
Where's Yassine?
I'm here, Daddy.
Go and see our neighbours and ask them to stop banging like this. Tell them your father's been working all day and that he deserves his sleep.
Speak to them politely and don't forget that we are neighbours and that we must respect them.
Hurry up, son. I think they've decided to destroy our house. Hurry up, Yassine.
All right, Dad.
Oh, may God help us.